What is up, my friends and viewers? Anyways, I was gonna show you. I got the 3DS, which unfortunately it cost me most of my money. And with that, Kid Icarus Uprising. Yeah, let's open it. No, sorry if you. Alright, so I'm gonna get. And they both cost me almost all of my money. Oh, okay. Yeah, Kid Icarus Uprising just came out today. What? What? I'm recording. I'm recording. I just said I'm recording.
Okay, well, come and eat. I'll give you 10 minutes.
Sorry about that. Anyways, the guys right there. There's the charger. And, well, dropped it. There's the 3DS. See my reflection in the mirror. Yeah. I know. And let's see, let's turn it on. Yeah, get that for now. Anyways, I also have Kid Icarus Uprising. Alright. There it is. Kid Icarus Uprising. Or Kid Icarus. I pronounce it Kid Icarus a lot. What's this? See that? I think that's to like hold the game or something. I think it's to hold the game. Yeah. And yeah, I also got this, just a replacement for my 3DS. And yeah. Yeah, that I just really hate the fact that it cost me almost all of my money. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm sorry about that interruption just a moment ago. So, bye.